What's going on? This is Super Simple Fixes. Today we're going to be looking at how to change the rear windshield wiper for a Honda Pilot. So let's take a look at it right now. Okay, so we have this rear windshield wiper that's old and it's also broken. So what you want to do is go ahead and pull it back just like this. And let me just change the camera angle a little bit. And I am actually going to push it out this way so the bottom goes out away from the car, right? So all you got to do is just take your hand like this and nice and slowly pull the bottom away. And it almost seems counterintuitive, but it is the easiest removal that you'll ever see. So right now you see that this one right here, it's broken. Plus this is how it's connected. So it's connected onto this part right here. Let me just give you a better shot. So this is the other side facing it, and you can see right here that this is actually where the little bar goes right through here. It catches here, and then the bottom of the windshield wiper goes that way and top comes out this way. Now we happen to grab one of these Duralast rear windshield wiper replacements, and it says DLR 14. You can tell that this one is just not going to work as it is because the old one has this bar running through the back of it. However, you've got this little adapter right here. After a little finagling, we figured out that the adapter actually has to go on first, at least for this particular model of replacement. So I'm going to put this pole in this little round notch here. And there you go. Then I'm going to take the actual blade and slide it right up in these grooves. Just line it up, slide, snap. Okay, there you go. Actually, the rain's coming now, so I am going to set this down. And this is what it looks like. So if you have any questions or comments, let me know down below. I got to get out of the rain.